Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into DynamoDB console, manage NoSQL tables step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the AWS Management Console. Press Enter to navigate to the AWS login page. In the login fields, enter your email or mobile number associated with your AWS account. Click the Next button to proceed. Enter your password in the designated field. Click the Sign In button to access your AWS account. Once logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type DynamoDB into the search bar. Select DynamoDB from the drop-down results to navigate to the console. You will now see the DynamoDB dashboard. From here, you can manage your NoSQL tables effectively. To create a new table, click the Create Table button. Fill in the necessary details for your new table. This includes the table name and primary key attributes. Once done, review your settings and click Create. Your new table will now be listed on the dashboard. To explore existing tables, simply click on their names. This will direct you to the table's detailed view. From there, you can manage items, indexes, and settings. Remember to regularly check your table's capacity and performance metrics. Now you can efficiently navigate and manage your NoSQL tables in the DynamoDB console. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.